Let's see what is the next rule. When different alkyl radicals occurs at the same position on carbon from either end of the chain, then the carbon chain is numbered from that end where the smaller radical is attached. It means if on the parent chain different alkyl radicals are attached, and if we do the numbering from either end, either from left hand side or either from right hand side, they have the same position on the parent chain, then we will prefer to do the numbering from that side from where we will assign the smaller alkyl radical is close to the terminal carbon. Let us study this rule with the help of example. For example, we have a molecule like CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is the molecule, students. Now, find the parent chain here. Obviously, this is a straight chain. It is the parent chain, right? And there are two radicals. 1, 2. There are two radicals. So, we enclose the radical in the circle. This is the first radical made up of single carbon, methyl. This is the second radical made up of two carbon atoms, ethyl. Now, do the numbering. If we do the numbering from right side, left side, if you do the numbering from left side, first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, ethyl radical is attached. Ethyl radical is attached. What is the position of ethyl radical, students? 3. And what is the position of methyl radical? Methyl radical is attached with carbon number 4. If we do the numbering from left side. But if we do the numbering from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we do the numbering from right side, then methyl radical, it is attached with carbon number 3, and ethyl radical is attached with carbon number 4. Now, student, what is the rule? If different alkyl radicals occurs at the same position on carbon from either end of the chain, then the carbon chain is numbered from that end from where the smaller radical is attached. Here you can notice, if we do the numbering from left side, which is the smaller radical here? Obviously, the radical which is made up of single carbon atom, that is methyl radical, is smaller. So, if we do the numbering from left side, methyl radical is attached with carbon number 4. But if we do the numbering from right hand side, methyl radical is attached with carbon number 3. So, according to rule, we will assign the lower number to methyl radical. So, we will do the numbering from right side. So, this is the correct way of numbering. Right, students? Now, assign the name to this molecule. We have different types of radicals. So, we follow the alphabetical order. E should be written first, then M. So, whatever is the position of ethyl, it should be written first. So, IUPAC name of this molecule is, it is 4-ethyl 3-methyl. And how many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain? 6 hexane. Since all the carbon atoms, they are connected with the help of single covalent bond. So that's why the name of this molecule is, the name of the parent chain is hexane, and IUPAC name of this molecule is 4-ethyl 3-methyl hexane. What is the IUPAC name of this molecule, students? 4-ethyl 3-methyl hexane. Students, we must know the radicals are always mentioned with their position before the name of the parent chain. right? And numbers, they are separated with the help of commas, while number and letters, they are separated with the help of hyphen, like this. I hope this example is clear to you, students. Students, we will study the next rule. What is the rule? When two or more different radicals are present in the parent chain, then they are named in alphabetical order. It means if we have different types of radicals which are attached with the parent chain, then which should be written first? In such cases, we must follow the alphabetical order. Now, we will study this rule with the help of some examples. Let's see what is the example. For example, if you have a molecule like this, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. This molecule is given. So first of all, we will locate the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The straight chain consists of 5 carbon atoms having 1, 2 branches or 2 radicals. Now, if we take this chain as a parent chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This chain consists of 5 carbon atoms, right? Equal number of carbon atoms. If we take this chain as a parent chain, then it contains just 1 radical. So we will not take this chain as a parent chain, because we know what is IUPAC rule. If 2 chains are of equal length, then we will select the chain as a parent chain which contain the greater number of branches. So this chain contains the 2 branches, so that's why we will select this chain as a parent chain. This is the parent chain, students. Now we will see what radicals are attached to the parent chain. Here we have 1 radical made up of single carbon atom. The name of radical is methyl, and this radical, which is made up of 2 carbon atoms, this radical is ethyl. 1 radical is methyl, another is ethyl. Then do the numbering of the parent chain to assign the lowest number to these radicals. Do the numbering from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we do the numbering from left side, the first radical, ethyl radical, is attached with carbon number 3, methyl radical is attached with carbon number 4. If we do the numbering from right side, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Methyl radical is attached with carbon number 2, while ethyl radical is attached with carbon number 3. So which are the lower number? 3, 4 or 2, 3? Obviously 2, 3, they are the lower number. So we will do the numbering from right side. We do the numbering from this side to assign the lowest number to the alkyl radicals. We locate the parent chain. We know what is the parent chain here? Pentane, made up of 5 carbon atoms. We identify the radicals as well as their positions. 2 radicals are there. One is methyl, another is ethyl. Their positions are: methyl is attached with carbon number 2, ethyl is attached with carbon number 3. Now we will assign the IUPAC name to this molecule. So we have different types of radical. So according to rule, if we have different types of radical, then we must follow the alphabetical order. We must follow the alphabetical order, students. We know very well M for methyl, right, and E for ethyl. M for methyl radical. M for methyl radical, right, students? M for methyl, right? And E for ethyl. If you follow the alphabetical order, then E should be written first. E should be written first. So we will assign the IUPAC name to this molecule. What is the IUPAC name of this molecule, students? We write the positions of the, first of all, we will write the ethyl radical. Irrespective of the position of ethyl radical on the parent chain. Whatever is the position of ethyl radical on the parent chain, first of all, we will write the name of ethyl radical along with its position. So what is the name of this molecule? It is 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl, then we place hyphen. What is the position of methyl radical? 2. 2-2-methyl. 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, and what is the name of parent chain? It is pentane. Parent chain is pentane. The whole name is methyl pentane, should be written as one word. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? 3-ethyl, 2-methyl pentane. I hope this is clear to you, students.